Hello, this is a recording for Sunday, March 15th. Today's practice is titled Inner Excursion. It is designed to be a mental mini vacation. Take a comfortable position and choose a position where your heart feels open. Open for this getaway to make your heart sing. Taking a pause from your day, from your week, headed for a well-deserved getaway. You can relax now completely on your mini vacation. Allow your eyelids to get heavy, gaze softening. Attention is drawing inward. Inhale, taking in the sweetness of this moment. Exhale, letting go into the comfort. Inhale, feeling grateful for this getaway. Exhale, releasing into the comfort even more. Now allow your mind to wander into thoughts of your vacation destination. Where will you go to feel at ease, to relax and recharge? It could be anywhere: a beach, a cottage, a room in a home, a place of beauty or interest. Choose any place you like, remembered or imagined. Picture yourself there as vividly as you can. What do you see? What are the colors and quality of light? What does this environment sound like? What does it feel like? Picture it in great detail. See and feel yourself experiencing it. In this beautiful place, take a minute to enjoy yourself. Relax and recharge in any way you like. Pause here for a few moments. I'll be silent. And now, taking with you any pleasant feelings from your getaway, say goodbye for now, knowing that your vacation spot is always here for you. You can return whenever you like. Deepen your breath a little bit, coming back now into the room you're in or into the space you're in, bringing all those pleasant feelings with you back into the here and now. Relaxed, refreshed, and ready for the rest of your day. Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to experience the benefits of your mental mini vacation. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I will see you tomorrow.